We are here at the Magico factory. Guys, I can't even express to you how excited I am to be able to do this tour. Having this great opportunity to show you some of what I consider one of the best speaker brands in the whole world. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this content. I hope you guys really watch the video in its entirety. I am working relentlessly. I am on approximately 5 hours of sleep. I landed here at around 1 o'clock in the morning. It is 10 a.m. And so I didn't sleep very much because I had to get ready for all of this. I got multiple cameras. I got a lot of different things that I hope you guys really enjoy to the fullest, okay? So are you guys ready and excited to see what's inside this factory? Are you guys looking forward to this? I promise you I'm going to try to do a video better than anything else you've seen, okay? I got a lot of questions for everyone in here, and I hope you guys enjoy everything I'm about to do here. One last thing, please subscribe. I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Okay, ready? Let's go.